In this quick guide, I'll show you how to recover old NGL account, and this is a full guide. Before all that, make sure that you have the latest version of the NGL account, and by doing so, you have to come to Google Play Store if you're using Android, and then download the latest version. If you're using iPhone, go to the Apple Store. So on doing that, just come and click on NGL application, click on Get Started, and then this is just simple. Just come here, then set your age, the one you set in the old account. Okay, so in my old account, I set my age as it was 19. Okay, so just click over here and then adjust the years to fit the age you set in the old account. So guys, make sure that you do this critically, then click on continue, then choose Instagram, and then just click here, then type in your it's the user ID. Okay, so click on continue, and then you can skip this for this time, and when you skip that, you'll have recovered your old NGL account, and this is my old NGL account. As you can see, this is my user ID. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.